What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, if you want up to 60 free stocks, Moomu is going to give you up to 60 free stocks when you open a new Moomu brokerage account. All you got to do, man, is get yourself down to the first link in the description box. Click on that Moomu link. Open up that new Moomu account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a couple of Moomu tutorial videos to help you learn how to use the Moomu brokerage app. All you gotta do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you've opened up that Moomu account. Let me know you funded it, and I'm gonna send you out those Moomu tutorial videos. Do I sell all of my stock and buy Bitcoin? This is a question that someone sent me through my Instagram page, Richard Fain Millionaire Mentor. They said, Richard, have you considered selling all of your stocks and buying Bitcoin? You do know Bitcoin is going to get up to $250,000 a coin. And I perked up when I saw that. And I said, whoa. I hit him back. I said, well, what are you talking about? He said, yeah, I'm a big old Bitcoin guy. And I believe, and many others believe, it's the future. And $250,000 per coin is reasonable based on what I know. Now, this is what they're telling me. I don't know anything about Bitcoin like that, right? So I said to myself, $250,000 a coin is pretty dang on good, given the fact that Bitcoin right now is $119,000 a coin. I can go back to 2022, guys, when Bitcoin was $17,000 per coin. That's pretty dang on good over the last 3 years. So I said to myself, let me go out and do a little research. And when I say research, I mean ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and I said, well, ChatGPT, should I sell all of my stocks and buy Bitcoin? And here's what ChatGPT had to say. Here's a balanced perspective on whether you should consider selling stocks and buying Bitcoin. Stocks versus Bitcoin. Key differences. Stocks represent ownership in companies with value tied to the company's performance and regulated markets. They generally offer long-term stability and potential for dividends. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency operating on a blockchain, known for extreme volatility and lack of regulation compared to stocks. Potential for high returns is balanced by the risk of significant losses. Factors to consider. Risk tolerance. Bitcoin's volatility means potential for quick gains and steep drops. Stocks, particularly diversified portfolios, are generally considered safer. Investment goals. If you're seeking stable long-term growth, stocks may be a better fit. If you're comfortable with high risk for potentially higher reward, Bitcoin could be considered. Time horizon. Holding stocks for the long term can help weather short-term volatility. Bitcoin's volatility also suggests a longer-term horizon is preferable to potentially recover from downturns. Portfolio diversification. Instead of an all-or-nothing approach, consider diversifying your portfolio with a small allocation to Bitcoin alongside stocks. Financial advisors often recommend limiting crypto exposure to a small percentage, like 1 to 5% of your overall portfolio. And then regulation and investor protection. Stocks are heavily regulated with investor protections like SIPC insurance in the United States. Crypto markets are less regulated, increasing risks like scams and hacks. In conclusion, selling all your stocks to buy Bitcoin might not be advisable due to the higher risks associated with cryptocurrency. Consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor to discuss your individual financial situation and goals before making any investment decisions. They can help you determine the appropriate asset allocation for your portfolio, including whether to include Bitcoin and in what proportion. I tend to agree with this synopsis by ChatGPT. In my limited experience with Bitcoin, it's highly volatile, guys. Non-regulated. Certainly bigger reward, but certainly bigger risk. And there's no underlying company there. It's worth whatever someone's willing to pay for it. Now, that being said, could it get to $250,000 per coin? Absolutely. I never thought it would get to $119,000 per coin, but it did. Why? Because there is a market out there for it. People want to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So there is a market out there for it. But for me, I'm an old school guy. I like to invest in companies. I don't want to invest in a theory or an idea or a possibility or whatever somebody else is willing to pay for it. That's not my cup of tea. I'm going to politely say, no, I'm not going the Bitcoin route. I'm going to stay invested in stocks. So that's what I told the person on Instagram that asked me that question and suggested that strategy. I said, no, man, you go ahead and do you. I'm going to go ahead and do me. It has gotten me this far and I live pretty good lifestyle. I got great assets. I do pretty doggone well. Ain't no need of me turning over a new leaf right now. The grass ain't always greener on the other side of the fence. I'm gonna stay on my side of the fence and I'm gonna deal with the grass I already got, which is paper assets. And that's gonna be my ETFs and my individual stocks. I'm gonna ride this thing until the tires fall off of it. But for you folks that do want to go try Bitcoin, do like ChatGPT said. Go get you a licensed financial advisor to help you make the decision or make you, feel more comfortable with Bitcoin or individual stocks or ETFs, paper assets. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you would do. Would you sell all your stocks and go Bitcoin? Would you do a combination of the two, or would you just stay strictly stocks? Love to know what you guys are thinking about doing. So drop them down in the comment box. Like I said, if you want up to 60 free stocks from Moomu, get down to the first link, click on the Moomu link. It has all the details, what you got to do in order to qualify for up to 60 free stocks, guys. Publicly traded companies. Don't sleep on that. www.richardfain.net is the website address, guys. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products on that website that could change your financial life. Go check them out. Second link down in the description box. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got a couple thousand wealth builders in our financial community. All we do is help one another build wealth. None of us are experts. We don't try to tell you what to do. All we provide is golden nuggets, best practices, tips, and a safe environment for you to ask questions and get some feedback and help you in the right direction. So if you want to be a part of that community to take yourself out of the matrix, click on that second link, which is the website link. And inside the website, click on the join button or the membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up. come join us. We'd love for you to be a part of our team. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. See it in your mind, you hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.